a Baba from an ashram located in the Vasant Kunj area. This Baba, who is on the run, is absconding. Well, he is being accused by at least 19 girls for sending sleazy messages. These are sleazy texts to the girls for, he's being accused of molestation, and NETV has accessed the chats, the sleazy messages that he sent to these girls. He was using WhatsApp to lure these girls. He was messaging them. He was texting them. This is the molester Baba who is on the run. In fact, he had set out messages such as come to my room. Those are the kind of messages that he was sending to these girls, this is an ashram, a safe zone, a safe place, is what people would think. But this man, in the garb of being a Baba, was sending sleazy messages to these girls, luring them to his room, asking them to come to his room. NETV has accessed the kind of WhatsApp messages that were exchanged by this Baba, who is now on the run. He also was using a fake number plate of this Volvo car, and the car has finding out, and that is what the police has now found out, is that number plate was fake. The man is on the run. This is a Baba who has been, he has 19 girls who have alleged the same thing. The same thing is that this man was using WhatsApp messages to lure the women. They have gone on to claim that he, in fact, had gone on to say that I'll take you abroad on a trip. That is the method that he would use. Come to my room. I will take you abroad. You won't have to pay anything. Those are the kind of sleazy messages that were sent by this Swami Chaitanya Ananda Saraswati to young women, young girls entrusted to his care as the director of a privately run management institute in the Delhi's South Delhi area of Vasant Kunj. Those WhatsApp messages found on the mobile phones of 50 women from this particular ashram have uncovered details of the abuse that these women, 19 of these girls, suffered over the past 16 years, including receiving very inappropriate messages, and they were forced into physical contact as well. And that is the charges against the man. The man is on the run, and of course the police there trying to piece together, trying to find his location. They had somehow managed to even find his location and are trying to we have my colleague Anushka in order to get us the latest on this. Anushka, take us through the kind of messaging from come to my room, I'll take you abroad. I mean, those are the kind of methods that he was using to lure these girls in order to get them to basically be in close proximity with them. Take us through the allegations against this so-called Baba.
That's right, Divya. What we are getting to know is that there are explosive revelations that have emerged against this self-styled god man named Chaitanya Ananda Swami, who was formerly known as Partha Sarthi. He is accused of systematically harassing girl students at an ashram in Delhi. Now, according to police, Chaitanya Ananda lured students through WhatsApp messages, threatening to deduct marks or fail them in exams if they refused his advances. He also tempted them with promises of foreign trips. Investigations have revealed obscene chats such as come to my room and I'll take you abroad. You don't have to spend anything. 3 female wardens of the ashram staff have also been named in the case for threatening students and forcing them to delete incriminating WhatsApp chats. Their statements have been recorded. Police raids were carried out across Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana. Not just that, we are also seeing that whose last known location was Agra. His Volvo car was found registered under another person's name and fitted with multiple fake diplomatic number plates. A lookout circular has been issued to prevent him from fleeing abroad. But we're also seeing that the NCW has taken cognizance of this matter. We're also seeing that so far 5 cases have been registered against Chaitanya Ananda Swami. Molestation case at Defence Colony Police Station, that was in 2009. In 2016, molestation case was filed at Vasant Kunj North by an ashram student. And in 2025, that is the recent FIR that was filed by 17 girls of harassment of using, number plates, and also a fraud case on complaint of trust. All victims belong to economically weaker section category. Police have seized over 50 mobile phones of students, most showing evidence of deleted chats. Also, officials say Chaitanya Ananda has been a serial offender for over 16 years, repeatedly accused of molesting young women. Over to you.
Right, Anushka, and he went about town, the city of Delhi, flaunting this fake diplomatic number plate, the one that we're showing on our screens at the moment, 39UN1. So he was claiming that this, Volvo car belonged to somebody who was working with the United Nations. And of course, the police then found out that this was a fake number plate to begin with in the first place. Anushka, our colleague Aishwarya has details on this. Aishwarya, over to you.
पीएसवी के नॉर्थ में एक कंप्लेंट आई थी सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट की। कुछ फीमेल छात्राएं जो कि पीजीडीएम कोर्स परस्यू कर रही हैं श्री शारदा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडियन मैनेजमेंट में, उन्होंने अपनी जब कंप्लेंट दी तो एक एफआईआर दर्ज की गई उपयुक्त सेक्शंस में बीएनएस के, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑनगोइंग है।
कई जो इंस्टीट्यूट के और भी सहयोगी स्टाफ हैं उन पर ऊपर लड़कियों ने ये भी कंप्लेन कराई कि उन्होंने दबाव बनाया, प्रेशर बनाया और बाबा की बात मानने की जो कोशिश है वो उनकी तरफ से की जा रही थी। क्या उन जो स्टाफ के लोग हैं उन पर भी कुछ कार्रवाई की गई?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑनगोइंग है और जितने भी अक्यूज्ड हैं या को अक्यूज्ड हैं उनके खिलाफ एज पर लॉ एक्शन लिया जाएगा।
मैम, जो गाड़ी वहाँ इंस्टीट्यूट के बेसमेंट से बरामद हुई उसके बारे में क्या जानकारी है और क्या वो सीज कर दी गई है?
वो एक वॉल्वो गाड़ी है और वो बेसमेंट में मिली थी सर्च के दौरान, और उसमें एक फेक नंबर प्लेट भी यूएन का लगा गया था और उस पे अप्रोप्रिएट सेक्शंस ऑफ लॉ में केस दर्ज किया गया।